Once upon a time, I was like really hungry / kind of bored, but I didn't want to die of starvation or boredom, so I figured I'd just make 18 trips to the kitchen, maybe find something in my cabinets to cook. Still hungry, and yeah, so let's make rice pudding because I can't figure anything else to do with my time. Okay, let's just get right into it. You're gonna need some rice and then raw almonds. I like to toast them myself, but do what you want. We have coconut milk. And then I have some dates, and then spices, cinnamon, a whole one, fresh nutmeg, and really expensive vanilla beans. Oh, don't forget sugar if you want it to be a little bit sweeter, and almond milk. Next, you're going to turn on that bad boy burner, toss in the almonds, cinnamon, and the vanilla bean, tra-la-la, da-da-da. Toast it up, till it's golden brown. Okay, next we're going to chippity chop those almonds that we toasted just so we can have a nice crunchy garnish for our rice pudding. Then we're going to get the dates and chop those up as well. Okay, let's pick up the pace. I'm hungry. Turn on the burner. Add the coconut milk. Throw in the cinnamon stick along with the vanilla bean and grated nutmeg. Bring that to a boil and then add the almond milk, followed by some water. Sprinkle in some sugar. I like a lot of sugar. And the rice. Don't forget the rice. We're making rice pudding. Now would be a really good time to call your mother, cyberstalk your ex-boyfriend, or just contemplate the meaning of life because it's going to take about 25 minutes to cook this. Okay, so just keep adding water until it's about the consistency of porridge. Then, oh my god, before you know it, you're done. So this is fine on its own, but it kind of looks like prison food. Nobody wants to eat prison food. So I like to jazz it up by adding a couple dates, almonds, and, just like mixing different flavors. One of them I did apricots and lemon zest. Just, yeah, go crazy. You could throw it in the fridge or eat it warm. Either way, it just comes out delicious. Okay, so I'm totally going to pretend like I didn't already eat half of it when it was warm, but I did put the other half in the fridge. Okay, I should probably tone it down because this is not the way to get snatched for summer. Just kidding, too bad. Oh my god, I'm hungry again. Diet starts tomorrow. There's rice to eat today. Okay, at this point, I'm like asking to turn into a bowl of rice pudding. Moment of truth. That only took 20 hours. I'm kidding, it took like 2. Look how cute this is. Just like me. But it's chilled, it's cute, and we're gonna test try it right now. It's like hard after you put it in the fridge. Actually, I think it's better if you eat it warm. It's the same, but like legit, it's thicker. Yeah, so on like a scale 1 to 10, I'd say this is pretty delicious. Quarantine cooking isn't that bad. Tastes like horchata or like Arroz con Leche, if you guys ever had that. Dairy Queen test. No. Oh. I'm thinking it's low carb, low cal, but that would be a lie, like a really big one. Definitely vegetarian though. Knock this out of the ballpark. Throw this one back. Eat till my heart's content, which is never. Okay, you get the point. I'm gonna consume my entire kitchen now. Hope you enjoyed the video. More recipes to come. Bye-bye.